Okay, 2018 Tesla Model 3 Performance Long Range. It's from San Francisco, California. It includes a charger for 110 and 220. Very clean. New front tires. I gotta check the brakes. I'm gonna go for a test drive on Thursday and really see if it's for me. 25,000 miles. It's got about a year and a half left on the warranty. Concerns me a little bit. With their warranty, it's going to be about 34,000. This is an in-state warranty, so if something goes wrong, I can tell them come get this thing. I'm looking at this thing for my daily commute back and forth to work. Also, I'm looking at this for driver's education. All-wheel drive. I'm in the Midwest, so our winters are crazy. It does look really clean. You can see the fitment of it. There's a gap right here, but it is from 2018. We're not going to worry. And then I'm going to do some research about this thing. Battery degradation. It says 75% state of charge. It's about 203 range. The previous owner said the range is anywhere from 250 to 270. They told me this person was a fanatic, so it looks super clean. Looks really nice. I learned to buy a car during the daylight hours, never at night. This is a Tesla, so I got to really do my due diligence. I did not feel any pressure at the dealership. I was asking crazy questions, and I wrote everything down. So when I go live later, I'm going to show you prices, taxes, everything. I wrote down everything, and there's a little gap right there, but they're not going to fix all that. This is out, so I'm really going to take a look at this thing very, 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 very carefully. I'll readjust my schedule. When I drive, I'm going to take you guys on the journey, stop and go traffic, downtown traffic, expressway, performance. The tires look about 65%. They don't look new, but I've had high performance tires before. Those are Michelin, and these other brands, I'm not sure. But with these high performance tires, they're very thin. So you really gotta make sure that you know what you're doing. It's got the club in